summertime, spending in a room where the walls are painted beige. 2 minutes every night, singing myself to sleep instead of performing on a stage. 2 weeks ago I got tired of the wait, so stopped counting down the days. The first of my years been in awful situations. I got lost in all this mess of weird the way things are, but I also try to play some shit where they should be. I don't know where to begin or where to pretend that it's gonna be better than it seems. I've had a medication for a bad situation is what I perceive to give relief. It held my mind intact, but my conscience was attacked, and I don't wish it was free for the release. My train of thought was so distraught with the fact that half my life I dwindled in misery. But no matter what we're thinking could change the outcome of the seasons, and I get it eventually. And I got lost in all this mess of where the way things are, and I just tried to let it beat, and suddenly something could happen, some other solve a circumstance, and it leaves me in disbelief. Life sounds so bad, feel like I'm out of tune. The cloud was closing all the curtains to my dreams too soon. Show's over and I just left the room. When the roar of the crowd dies down, the silence leaves are ringing in my ears, and my fear is handing me a bottle every day. All this time I gotta spend, but it don't really pay. Keep going overtime, but the hours I'm just wasting. Lost patience, it's all what's written on the payslip. Try to work things out, it always left me out of order. But one October afternoon I tried to play the Les Paul in the corner. Don't know how to play the strings, but my fingers fell to place. All of the sudden all the doubt of me got shook by the bass. The look of disbelief painted on my face. The past I started to retrace. I could try to find my way, but all along there's a path that's supposed to pave. I may not fit in all this work, but there's a universal shape. Try to find my voice in a world while I'm blind, but seeing ain't mean I have to open up my eyes. Way in the world, got caught up trying to find it. Thoughts running on my mind, but now I'ma walk it out. And I'ma go wherever my feet take me. If I'ma go, I'ma tell you right now, I'm waiting till my clock runs out. It'll be in a blaze of glory. And I got lost in all this mess, so weird the way things are, but I also try to play some shit where they should be. I don't know where to begin or where to pretend that it's gonna be better than it seems. And I got lost in all this mess, so weird the way things are, and I just try to let it beat, and suddenly something could happen, some other solve a circumstance, and it leaves me in disbelief. Used to drink with my demons till the thought of them drown, but I cut them off and just do what puts me to the clouds. A lot of things used to get me down, but never now I claim my crown. Sit on my throne and forget I ever bowed to something I'm supposed to overthrow. Make me surrender to myself, felt the damage that I dealt. I paid the debt I owed to the man in the mirror. The end might be far, but it's always getting nearer. Getting closer, but it's never really clearer. So it's long overdue that I let myself see the overview. Quit blocking the vision with things I used to do. Already guilty of the past, so I got nothing left to prove, yeah. I did my time and though the clock would tick faster, I save a seconds and I'ma do it slow. All along I've been down for an answer. Funny how that I'm now living for what I know. And I got lost in all this mess of weird the way things are, but I should try to play some shit where they should be. I don't know where to begin or where to pretend that it's gonna be better than it seems. And I got lost in all this mess of weird the way things are, and I just try to let it beat, and suddenly something could happen, some other solve a circumstance, and it leaves me in disbelief. And I got lost in all this mess of weird the way things are, but I also try to play some shit where they should be. I I don't know where to begin or where to pretend that it's gonna be better than it seems. I got lost in all this mess with the way things are, and I'll just try to let it beat, and suddenly something could happen, some other solve a circumstance, and it leaves me in disbelief.